everyone, and welcome back to another episode. So today we're going to be making a pretty easy salad, but very delicious. It is a seafood salad, very simple, quick to make, very few ingredients. So let me show you the ingredients. So you're going to need, of course, like I said, seafood. And this is a mix of frozen seafood of different kind that you find in a freezer section of the store. So this was just unfrozen, and then we just rinsed it with some water. You're also going to need just some white onion for this, some vinegar to marinate the onion in, some regular mayo, this is just avocado oil, Hellmann's mayo, and some salt. So like I said, very few ingredients, easy to find. This is a very quick salad to make, and you can always have in your freezer these frozen seafood. So in case you have guests that just arrive unexpectedly, you can always make the salad really quickly for them. So before we begin, let me tell you that right now on my stove top, I have a pot of boiling hot water because you need that to cook the seafood in it. And I just salted that water. So for now, while the water is boiling, let's work on the onion. So you want to do is you want to cut up this onion pretty small pieces. And then we're going to marinate it in some vinegar so it is not as strong and has a little bit of that sour taste. So first, let's cut up the onion. Actually, my water came to a boil, so let's place the seafood into the boiling water. Once the water starts to boil again, you're going to only cook it 2 to 3 minutes, that's all. Okay, so what we want to do, the water is boiling, so we're just going to be placing the seafood in here. And you're going to wait for it to come up to the boil again, and then cook 2 to 3 minutes, and that's all. Okay, so while that's cooking, let's finish working on the onion. Okay, so we cut up the onion, so now let's place it into a bowl. Not the bowl where we're going to be making a salad, but a separate bowl because we need to marinate the onion first. So to this onion, we're going to add, I would say, 2 to 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. And it's always fun to cut up the onion. As you can see, now I'm crying. So let's just add like this. Just mix it and let it stand while the seafood is cooking. Okay, so now when the water comes up to boil, we're just going to cook only 2 minutes. Then we're going to toss it and just drain with some water, and that's all. And with some cold water pretty much, just to stop them from cooking even further. Because if you overcook them, they're pretty hard to bite through. They become kind of like rubber. Okay, so now it's boiling, so we're just going to wait 2 minutes. And of course, turn down the heat. Okay, everyone, so now our seafood is ready. So we're going to place it into a bowl. And you're going to let it stand just for a little bit so it cools down just a little bit. And then we're going to add the onion and the mayo. I did cook 2 small packets of frozen seafood mix. So I'm going to use probably less than 1 onion. I'm going to use probably about 1/2 or 3/4. Okay, so let's mix and see. I'll add a little bit more. So now let's add a little bit salt and just some mayo. I'll start with a tablespoon and mix. Okay, everyone, so the salad is now ready. Like I said, very quick salad. So let me show you up close. So this is a seafood mix salad. So of course, we had some frozen seafood mix, some onion, some vinegar to marinate the onion, and some mayo. So I hope you try and make this salad next time for your party or just for yourself. It is a very interesting salad if you like seafood. It's not like any kind of usual salads. Very easy, fast. And of course, it tastes delicious. So I hope you try it out. And thank you so much for watching once again. Don't forget to subscribe. That shows me your support. And we'll see you in my next recipe. Thank you. Bye.